Do you like cats? Do you like dogs? Do you like panning makeup? Then you are in the right place because this is the Makeup Panning Project. It's panning cats and dogs. And today is my penultimate update. Next month is the finale. So let's see what I'm working on. Not much, and let's see how I did. Stay tuned. All right, It's Panning Cats and Dogs was created by Deb B and Dannie at Dannie's Makeup here on YouTube, and Deb B at Deb B here on YouTube. It is a fantastic ladies Facebook group collab project, and it is all about dogs and cats and pets of any kind, and all those things. It started on October 22nd of last year and ends next month on October 22nd, which is National Make a Dog's Day. You can do this rolling style or roll them all in however you want. There were 30 prompts this time, plus I think the bonus to donate to a local shelter in some way. I have not done that, but I am a pet sitter and I give my time to pets all the time. Plus I've been having a financially hard year, so that's not helpful, and I don't have anything at the moment to donate to pets. But that being said, I don't feel bad about it. I could help and I will in the future. Anyway, moving on. I have been doing really well with this project. I was doing it rolling style, and over the last couple months, I have only had 5 products left in this project. And get the lipstick off my teeth. So, I have 3 of those 5 products here. The other 2 are where I'm pet sitting right now, and I didn't think to bring them home with me when I came to record. So I'll just tell you I'm working on them when I get to them. The first product I'm working on, I accidentally tried rolling into another project. If you watched my deck of panning on Friday, you will have seen that I tried rolling this in and realized, oops, I'm already working on it. So I put something else in its place. But the first product is for the prompt Balls Toys, something that always rolls away from you. And that is the LA Girl Pro Primer Eye Primer. It was in a stick form, and I depotted what was left in the stick and put it in this little jar. I did use it today, and then I scraped it with a spatula because it was kind of getting hard to use, so it's all clumped up right there. And I don't know if you can see, there's not a whole lot left in there. My goal is to finish it. At the last update, I'd used it 28 times, and since bringing it in, and since then I've used it 7 marked uses. I probably used it more than that. I've been a little lax on marking my uses over the last month, but that means we're up to 35 uses since bringing it into this project, and my goal is to finish it, and that may or may not happen before the next update. I don't use a whole lot of it, and I don't do my makeup that often. So I'm going to predict it's probably going to stick around. So that's okay. I could have kept it in deck of panning then anyway. But bygones be bygones. Anyway, so moving on, the next prompt I'm working on is for catnip. And that is something that makes you lose your mind, whether it's good or bad. I went with good. Something that makes me lose my mind is this nail polish from Witch Cult Lacquer. It's really pretty in the bottle, and this is a magnetic. Ugh, just all the pretty colors. Anyway, it's called Hecate's Tears. I'm probably saying that terribly wrong, and somebody's gonna, know. But anyway, it is a multi-chrome magnetic with glitter, and it's just beautiful. My goal is to wear it 2 times. I have worn it once so far, so I have 1 more use left to go, and it's coming up in rotation on my panning nail polishes. So I feel pretty confident I will get to it before the finale. I keep saying next update, the finale. All right, and then the next prompt I'm working on is for ID tags, and that's something that starts with the first letter of your name. My name is Mandy, and I brought in my Marvy Corn palette, which also starts with M, but specifically I brought in the shade Moana. I remember I used to have a hard time trying to remember to say that right. Anyway, this is what it looks like. I brought it in for 16 uses because it was prompt number 16. As of the last update, I used it 10, and over the last month, I've used it 3, including today. It is in the center of my eye look. So I have 3 more uses to go over the next month before the finale. I think I can squeeze those in. It is one of my favorite shades, and I did just roll in a couple palettes that have very similar color story. So it will be easy to incorporate into a look. So I feel confident that I will get my 3 more uses on Moana. And then the last 2 products are ones that are not here. One is from Scooby-Doo, and then is an item from a mystery bag or something you haven't tried before. And for that, I brought in the Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser, Kale Cleanser, in the little deluxe size. I'm working on it. My goal was to finish it. It's not going to happen. I think we're about halfway through it. I am currently using it, but I don't need a lot each time I use it, so I doubt I'm going to be finishing it, and I only use it when I'm sitting, but when I come home, I may continue using it because I have purchased a cleanser to use at home, but I haven't opened it yet because I'm trying to use up some other samples and things first. So, that being said, I may or may not finish it before the finale. I doubt it. And last one is for vet bills, and that is an expensive item. And I've mentioned before, when I brought this in, I thought it was expensive because to me, CosRx sounds like a bougie, expensive product. When I looked it up at Ulta, it's actually not, but you know, that tells you how much I know. Anyway, I brought in a deluxe sample of the CosRx oil-free lotion with something, I forget. And my goal is to finish that, and I think I have less than half of it, but I don't know specifically. I am currently using it. It is my nighttime moisturizer, so it may or may not get finished before the finale. I don't know. I can't tell you. But that's it. That's all. 5 products, no rollouts, and I'm making steady progress. I may have 2 goals met by the finale, maybe more. That's it. If you enjoyed this update and want to see more of my panning content, hit the subscribe button. And if you liked this video, hit the thumbs up. It means a lot to me. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and you'll see me in my next one. Bye-bye!